Have you ever wondered if everyone has the same number of hours in a day, why do some people seem to get so much more done than others? Are they putting in longer hours? Are they not taking vacations? Are their personal lives suffering? The truth is not that we have too little time to do all the things we need to do. It's that we feel the need to do too many things in the time that we have. The people who achieve extraordinary results don't achieve them by working more hours. They achieve them by getting far more done in the hours they choose to work. On the job, distractions lead to poor choices, painful mistakes, and unnecessary stress. We pay for the price for all this at home as well, and then we fall into the trap of believing this is just how life is. I can tell you that it doesn't have to be that way. Success comes when you can honestly say that you're meant to be where you are right now doing exactly what you're doing. To identify what your one thing is, please join us March 28th from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. or 2 to 4 p.m. It's a free workshop sponsored by Movement Mortgage, Capital Title, One Guard Home Warranty, and the Realtor Academy.